Guys, you're watching Cait Straight Up, and I am Caitlin, and today I'm going to show you how to make a really easy and delicious homemade ranch dressing. So if you're a ranch lover like me, then why not learn how to make it homemade, especially because we can make it a little bit healthier by using Greek yogurt instead of a high-fat mayo. So I'm going to show you my recipe today. It's perfect to keep in your fridge and use to dip all of the things that you love to dip into ranch. It's great. You're going to love it. So we have about 1 cup of a plain Greek yogurt here in our bowl. To it, we are going to add just some salt and pepper to start. You could do all that to taste. And then we're going to add some other spices. So in ranch, there's definitely some garlic. I have a minced garlic here that I'm going to use. I have about a teaspoon, and it's about 1.5 cloves if you're going to mince it yourself. I'm going to start whisking that together before we add our other spices. So you're going to need about 1/4 cup of each of these. So that's actually a decent amount of spice. So we're going to do some dried parsley. So like I said, about 1/4 cup. That looks about right. And then we're going to do some dried chives. Just shake it on in. You can measure it out or do it the way I'm doing it. Either way, completely up to you. Give that a nice stir. We have 2 other spices, and then we have some delicious buttermilk to make it a buttermilk ranch. We are going to add a little bit of dill, I'd say about a teaspoon, and then some onion powder. Perfect. So we're gonna whisk that nice and together, and then we're gonna add 1/2 cup of buttermilk. So you're just going to shake up your buttermilk real good when you take it out of the fridge. It does settle, so you're going to want to give it a good shake. And then you're going to mix that in and whisk it really nice into your Greek yogurt. Now, if you feel like the dressing is a little bit too thick for you and you're looking for something a little bit less thick, then just go ahead and add a little bit more buttermilk. Or if you want a little bit of a vinegar taste to this ranch, you can also add a little bit of red wine vinegar. But after that, you just whisk together and get ready to use your ranch. After you whisk it so it's nice and well blended, you could go ahead and store it just in a mason jar or anything else that you have to store it in, and leave it in your fridge. The more that this sits and kind of sits together, the more it's going to taste really delicious. You guys are going to love it. It tastes just like ranch, and it is homemade, so be proud of yourself because now you're making your own homemade salad dressing. Make sure to subscribe to Cait Straight Up for more fun recipes like this one every Tuesday. Find me on Instagram, guys, Cait Straight Up Cooking. I would love to connect with you there. And other than that, guys, I will see you next time. Bye-bye.